Hello, Cats Lions. How are you today? I'm so glad that you now know what Lion stands for. If you don't, watch the video from yesterday. I'm so excited that Karen gave me what it means. We were just waiting on her. All right, Cats Lions, it is Monday. Yay, the beginning of a brand new day, and we're filling our strength, right? So we're going to get up this morning and do our morning routines. After the morning routine for ourselves, which includes our bathroom, our kitchen, and our bedroom, we're going to wake the family up and put them through their routines, which includes their bedroom, the bathroom, and come into the kitchen, right, and being dressed. And then when that's done, if there's any other routines that need to be done in the morning, this is when you're going to do it. So if you have a dog and maybe you change his potty pad, or maybe he has to go outside, maybe you need to take him for a walk, maybe you need to collect the eggs, whatever it is, this is when you do it. Okay, it's part of your morning routine, so you've backed your hour up, you're backed that hour up to a little bit more, because a half hour for you, a half hour for the kids, a little bit more if you've got animals to take care of or other things. Maybe you have a garden in full bloom and you need to be out there every morning deadheading or pulling weeds or picking fruit or picking vegetables. It's what's going to keep it nice, right? And it's a commitment. And so we're going to follow through on our commitments. After that, we're going to do if you're staying at home, we're going to do your basic weekly plan. For today, that is our weekly home blessing hour. If you're working, you're going to think about delegating that. If you can't delegate it, you're going to think about doing 1/6 of it today, one 10-minute thing. So remember, the blessing hour is stripping your bed, washing the sheets, putting them back on, dusting really quickly, 10 minutes, the whole house. I recommend a feather duster. The next thing is wiping the spots off the glass. That's really quick too. If you use a microfiber, wet and dry, one wet, one dry, it's going to work fast for you. The next thing will be, let's see, we're going to mop all the surfaces that need mopping, the kitchen, the bathrooms. We're going to sweep and or vacuum. And we're going to empty all the little garbage cans in the house. Each one of those things, we're limiting ourselves to 10 minutes. Might not take 10 minutes, might take 12 minutes, but please try to keep it as close as you can to that 10 minutes, because we're going to really focus on blessing the house, not on deep cleaning. This is not a spring clean. This is a strictly blessing the house, hitting the middles, making it look decent, okay? And feeling better about yourself. Then you're going to rest. All right, so the next thing we're going to do on Monday is we're in zone 4, the master bedroom, the master bathroom, and the master closet. So if you're working, you're going to think about that today and think, okay, what am I going to do when I get home? I'm going to start my laundry. I'm going to go through my inch of paper. I've already delegated that 10 minutes, or I've chosen to do that 10 minutes, or I've decided that I don't care, I'm going to do it on Saturday. It doesn't bother me. How did it feel last Saturday? If it felt good, don't worry about it. If it didn't feel good, I'm suggesting you do it during that time when your supper is simmering, right? All right, and then the master bedroom, 10 minutes in there, 15 minutes if you have to declutter, but 10 minutes, maybe less, for doing one thing. Let's say it's rotating the mattress, or it's vacuuming under the bed, or it's polishing a little bit of your furniture with furniture polish. Okay, because you don't do that during your weekly home blessing hour. It's the things you don't get done in your weekly home blessing hour, only just pick one. Okay, all right, so at home, same thing. You're going to go in that bedroom now and you're going to do something. You're either going to do a declutter where you stand there for 15 minutes, throw away, put away, give away. When the timer goes off, you can turn your music off. Take that throwaway to the garbage, don't let it sit in the house. Take that giveaway to the trunk, don't let it sit in the house. Take that put away and put it away. Put it away. And then you're done at homes. You're done because you've got your things done for the day, except for your laundry and your paper routine. So you want to start that in the morning at some point too. Those are routines, a laundry routine, paper routine. Okay. Payroll lions, when you come home, again, you're going to start your laundry, you're going to do your paper, you're going to start your dinner. Then while dinner is simmering, you're going to do your bedroom and the 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour. If you are a person who gets home at 2 in the afternoon from your job, you can do your whole blessing hour. Awesome. After supper, everyone, we're going to clean the kitchen together with our families. After that, we're going to get ready for bed. We're going to do our before bed routines. If you're exhausted today, then go in there and take care of yourself first. I know we're in daylight savings. I know there's a lot more sunshine, but if you're exhausted, you're exhausted. Go get ready for bed. And when you're done, then get your kids through their before bed routine. If you're not exhausted, do the kids first. All right? Remember, a before bed routine for children includes a clutter check. It includes bathing, washing your hair if need be, brushing your teeth, changing into your PJs, putting your dirty clothes in the laundry, picking out a story, and getting in the bed. Now, clutter check includes putting your toys away. Remember, we like to do 3 clutter checks a day with families. And even if we don't have a family, maybe you need to clutter check yourself to make sure you're not recluttering where you've decluttered. So that's after breakfast, that's when you get home from work or after lunch, or when the kids get home from school, and the third one would be before bed. All right, I hope that's good. Have a wonderful day. Always remember that you are strong and you are beautiful.